वो नाम आसम साकल।
गुड आफ्टरनून। जी है, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे ये तो एफएनबी सर्विस बैकग्राउंड से, लेकिन एक किचन का वीडियो बनाता है, फ्रंट ऑफिस का वीडियो बनाता है एंड हाउसकीपिंग का भी वीडियो बनाता है। कैसे बना लेता है? जी है दोस्तों, आपको अगर एक सक्सेसफुल मैनेजमेंट में रहना है और आपको करियर में ग्रोथ करना है, आपको सारे डिपार्टमेंट का नॉलेज और जानकारी बहुत ही जरूरी है। देन ओनली यू कैन कीप ग्रोइंग ऑन योर करियर। इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर फ्रॉम द एफएनबी सर्विस बैकग्राउंड, सो यू विल बी ओनली bounded on F&B service. You have to come to front office, you have to see what exactly happening in front office department, and you have to come down, you have to put your leg down to come down to the housekeeping department and see what is the executive housekeeper is doing, how the head chef is handling the kitchen, they are doing perfectly or not. So then you will keep growing in your career. So ऐसे एक टॉपिक हम आज आपको बताने वाला है, जो है एक एग्जीक्यूटिव हाउसकीपर और एक बीइंग एज हाउसकीपिंग मैनेजर, उसको कौन सा जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है और ये आपको कैसे फुलफिल करता है। सो अगर आपको अच्छा हाउसकीपिंग मैनेजर बनना है तो आपको क्या क्या फॉलो करना पड़ेगा और कौन सा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आपको 110% के साथ में आपको करना है। जी दोस्तों, आज हम ये देखने वाला है एक हाउसकीपिंग मैनेजर जो है उसका जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज और ड्यूटीज क्या होता है। सो लेट्स सी, इफ यू आर ए सक्सेसफुल और स्ट्रॉन्ग लीडरशिप हाउसकीपिंग मैनेजर, so you has to be must very strong leadership and team management skill. You have to keep attention to details and organization establishment. Your knowledge has to be 100% on cleaning techniques and hygiene standard and budgeting and resource management. Also, you have to focus on communicating the problems and resolving the skill. Your ability to work under pressure has to be there. Then only you will become a 100% successful housekeeping manager. All right. So basically, there is a lots of responsibilities is there for a housekeeping manager. We will see what housekeeping manager used to ensure. Housekeeping manager used to ensure that the hotels or resorts room, public areas and back of the house spaces are very clean, organized and maintained to high standard, whatever the hotel standard is. These roles involves the supervising the staff, managing the resources, ensuring guest satisfaction and the maintaining the hygiene protocols, which is more important. As a housekeeping manager, you have to keep supervision and the leadership. You have to manage, train and supervise your housekeeping staff, including the room attendants, cleaners and the support of the personnel. So these all you have to ensure and you have to do the supervision. You have to do the perfect staff schedule and assign the duties to ensure efficient the coverage from the staff, conduct the performance appraisal and encourage the professional the development. You have to do the encourage to the staff. The maintaining cleanliness and hygiene standard, which is more responsible for a housekeeping manager. You have to ensure that rooms, bathroom and the lodges, dining areas and others hotels, the facilities has to be neat and clean, sanitized and presentable for the guest. Okay, you have to implement and monitor the cleaning procedure and hygiene protocols according to the industry standards or the hotel standards. You have to handle the deep cleaning, pest control and the emergency maintenance task, okay, for the hotel. Also, you have to focus on the inventory system or any suppliers management system. So monitor the housekeeping suppliers like linen, toiletries, cleaning chemicals and the equipments. You have to manage on the budgeting and procurement and cost control to avoid the wastage. So these all things, being a housekeeping manager, you must maintain, you must follow all the protocols. You have to keep, you have to keep the accurate record of uses and ensure timely ordering of suppliers. The thing something is getting over, before getting over, you have to maintain the part stock and you have to give the order to the suppliers, which is more important. Otherwise, there will be lack of the things which can be goes to the effect on the guest score. Guest can complain. You cannot make anything toiletries or any guest related suppliers not available in the hotel. Guest satisfaction, which is major role for a housekeeping manager, because guests may be coming to the hotel, staying in the room, they are not arriving to other department like the restaurant or in the lobby places or different banquet and all, but they are staying in the room. For them, housekeeping is the major role. You have to respond to the guest complaint or any request promptly and professionally. Ensure rooms are prepared as per the guest expectation before check-in. Whatever the guest requirement will be there before check-in, as per their expectation, room has to be there. Coordinate with the other department like front office, maintenance to resolve the issues that has to be very effectively with the guest experience. Guests should not suffer. You have to coordinate with front office and the engineering department, which is the co-pilot department for housekeeping. Safety and complaints. Safety and complaints is major role for a housekeeping manager. Here you have to ensure the staff are adherent to health and safety guidance, including the chemical handling and the equipment operations. Conduct regular inspection to ensure the compliance with fire safety and hygiene standard. Implement the protocol during the emergencies or unforeseen circumstances. So you have to attend those all the things regarding safety and the complaints, so that being as a housekeeping manager, you will be very successful and very attractive manager for the hotel. Quality control. The quality control is the major role for a housekeeping manager. He is the person who is maintaining all the product quality of the room, like toiletries and etc. etc. You have to conduct routine room inspection with checklist to ensure cleanliness standard. Implement feedback system and take corrective action based on the guest reviews and the audits. You have to maintain high standard for linen and the furniture in the room and all other the fixture which is available in your room, inside of the room. Cost management. Cost management, how you will manage the cost in housekeeping department, which is more important. You have to control the operational cost while maintaining the quality. It's not like just because of cost you are getting down on the quality. You have to maintain the quality, also keeping in mind the cost. Identify the areas where efficiency can be improved without compromising the standard. Report financial summaries and the forecast to senior management. That is important. Training and development. Training and development for housekeeping manager is very critical job responsibility, because if you take good training to your staff, they will reflect to the guest score, they will reflect to the guest face. You have to organize regular training session on customer service, cleaning technique and equipment handling. You have to mentor new staff and provide ongoing coaching. Whatever is going, ongoing coaching, you have to mentor to the new staff who is coming into your department. Coordinate with other department, like you have to work very closely with front office, engineering, food and beverage service and maintenance team to ensure smooth housekeeping operation. Assist in planning event and kind of function requiring extra cleaning and setup if need. Kindly assist to the other department like F&B service and front office, banquets. Sustainability initiatives, which is more important. You have to take some more initiative to implement eco-friendly practice like waste management, recycling and energy saving measure, and you have to educate the staff on sustainable and cleaning products and the methods. So here, if you educate your staff, what will happen? Your staff will help you out to keep more sustainable in the hotel and keep the cost very down. All right. So guys, these all are the things being as housekeeping manager you must follow if you are working in a 5-star hotel. So if you are new to our hospitality desk channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more notification regarding this kind of learning more videos. Thank you so much.